still here. So sick of turn off the radio. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Long time no see. Long time no see. Yeah, just wanted to come up on here and just chat a little. I'm a bit bored, like I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm a bit bored. So, when I'm bored, I usually take... What's this now? Where? So when I'm bored, I keep on like... Anyways, I was still saying, guys, when I'm bored, what I usually do is I draw or I write a song, right? And I did that already today. I wrote a song, like a really nice song today. But now I don't know what to do. Like, it was such a beautiful day. I woke up early at 7 today. I went to the gym. I do go to the gym, by the way. So I went to the gym. And then I came back. And then I washed. Then I was feeling like, oh my God, I want to go out. It's such a beautiful weather. Like, let me go out and I can buy myself a drink. And like... just chill, take myself out. But I don't know. And then I washed. And then I was like, I don't want to go. And I looked for my diary and then I wrote a song. Not immediately, of course. And then I ate, cleaned the house. And then I wrote a song. And then I listened to music. In Manjale in my comment section. Fire. So yeah, guys, that's basically my life right now. So I'm just thought, let me be live. Also, guys, do you love my shit? A special person made this for me. It's so nice. So nice. Let me be Yama Pansi. I think I want to make more of these and potentially give them away. They're very nice. This is nice. This is nice quality. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I don't know what to say. And I'm just bored. So let's update each other and stuff. What's going on? My ring. Hey, why can't you compliment this ring? You see this ring, it has a lily. It has flowers on it. It's a beautiful ring. It was so expensive. It was more than expensive than this one, and I couldn't understand. Like, I went to a thrift shop for the first time in Joburg, and thrift shops here are actually very expensive compared to how I thrifted back in East London. In East London, I could literally get like 10 items for 100 rand. And then here, I probably spent 500 on 3 things. Not even two things. This ring was 200. This small thing. Because it has a little flower. And I'm like, what? Is this a thrift shop? Nah, I need to find good thrift shops, guys. In Joburg. Apparently here you have to go in the morning. Because later on prices go up. And I'm like, that's ridiculous. I need to go shopping actually for Friday. Like I need to wear like a cowgirl. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Me and Cece were supposed to go shopping. Then she bailed on me today. So I still need to go shopping for an outfit for Friday. I'm so excited about Friday, guys. Yeah. But this is not an engagement ring, guys. Like, look, it even has a black thing saying that it's literally Mr. Price or something. You see? Still has a black thingy dangling. Let me cut it actually. Oh yeah, I have an Honor watch. I wanted to open it and see how it works. An Honor watch. I feel like Honor is gonna be iPhone like soon. See? I love this ring. It looks expensive. And I love the fact that like people always ask me, are you engaged? Are you engaged? Are you married? And sometimes I don't even need to say anything. Like when I meet someone and then they want me or like they trying to shell on me, I just do like this. And then they're like, oh, okay. You married? You engaged? I'm like, yeah. Yeah. I'm engaged. So that's why I love this ring. It looks expensive. And it's not. Yeah. To keep the boys away. And also not really. It's just like a symbol to myself. Like a love symbol to myself. Like I'm literally married to myself. I don't know how to put it. I used to wear rings to symbolize something. Maybe like keep myself, not do anything, weird things, you know, sexual stuff. So this is the ring for it. Anyways, yeah, because I believe in that so much. I believe in that so much. Yeah. Me and myself and I are married. And in this one, I still will look for a nicer ring because it's a flower, it's a lily, but I still wanna like look for a nice one. If you get what I'm saying. So yeah, guys, I'm good now. I feel good. I'm back to being myself. My chest is open now. I'm no longer cold and shaking, and I can feel that I have energy. So yeah. Oh yeah, the watch. Let's open the watch. The Honor watch. What song is playing? My umbrella. And my umbrella. Oh, baby, it's raining. Baby, come into me. Da, 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 da. Baby, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Before I need you there, you are always there. It looks nice. Because when the sunshine, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be. It literally looks like the iPhone stuff. Took a note, I'm gonna stick it out till the end. Know that we still have each other. I don't know how to turn it on. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. This is cute. This is very cute. Now I look like a gym buddy for real. Yeah. Hey, I don't know how to turn it on. I don't know how to turn it on. It's on. Okay, let me take it off. How did it English? Please install the Honor Health app on your phone. That would take. Okay, they want me to download an app. Health app. Honor. I see you. And then what do I do? Health. Maybe I do have it. Honor Health app. Honor Health app. Okay. Okay, it's offline for now. Anyways, yeah, got on an Honor watch. It's very cute. Maybe it also does like, maybe I can have, I need a SIM card. Because this one doesn't have a SIM card. I still don't have a SIM card for it. And I need a SIM card. Another one. So that I could have only my people on the phone. On my WhatsApp. And have like about 30 people that are only my people. Because my WhatsApp is full of people that I don't even know. It's so full. And I'm asking myself, how did it get there? Like, and why am I so accessible? Why do you have my number? I'm gonna change my number. Anyways, yeah, guys. SIM card. Really, how? Yeah, like, how do they have how? Also, another thing that happened when I got a new phone, I think that's what happened. When I got a new phone, and the ladies bought the iPhone for me. So I took the what's this, the Apple ID, right, that I was using on my previous phone. So I put it on the new phone, everything, blah blah blah. And so all the numbers that I blocked on the other phone, they came back on my WhatsApp. And like every number that I deleted ever came back. And they could see my statuses and they were like, "Hi, we thought you blocked us." And I'm like, "I did block you. I don't understand why you're back." So now it's a lot. There's a lot of people to block. And WhatsApp is just not a nice space for me anymore. It's just like, how is this person here? Why do you have my number? Okay. And then I try to delete the number. And then I delete. Oh, there was a night where I wasn't sleeping. And I took my phone. I was like, damn it, no ways. I deleted numbers. I deleted numbers. And I woke up, the numbers are still there. When I woke up, the numbers are still there. The numbers, he didn't manage. Anyways, I woke up and the numbers are still there. And I'm like, so what must I do now? You know? Yeah. Oh, I went on a date actually. I went on a date recently. How was that date? Such weird times to go on a date. I don't know. I'm not watching anything. I'm just listening to music. Yeah, so it's such a weird time to go on a date. It's such a weird time to actually think I could date someone. I don't think I can. It's weird. It's weird. It's very weird. Especially when like a person thinks they know you. A person thinks they know you and they're like, you know, going back to tabs of what they see on the internet, of what they've seen before. And I'm just like, you don't know me. Yeah, but I don't know. I feel like boys these days are like girls. It's weird. And I went on a date yesterday, actually. Yesterday. But I didn't tell you guys. I wanted to be live on that date. I wanted to put my phone there and be live. And just laugh. But I couldn't. Yeah, but it was nice. It was nice. It was a nice date. Woo! Hi. Earlier yesterday, not late. In the morning, I went on a date like 2 o'clock. Then called Yolanda. I want to see that puppy so bad, guys. Yo. I don't want to see Yolanda. I just want to see the puppy. Wee. And then she wasn't home. I don't know where she was at that time. So I was like, okay. Then I remembered it was a good thing that I didn't go to Yolanda's to go see the puppy, because I was invited by Zinke in her event. So I was like, oh wait, let me go to Zinke's thing. So I went to Zinke's thing after the date. Not in the morning. Earlier. Not in the morning. Earlier at 2 o'clock. I went on a date yesterday. And I wanted to post on a date, kind of nervous, but I was like, nah. Hey, well, does Yolanda know the person so we can ask her? Guys. Can you again? Yeah. But I'm going to a dress fitting on Thursday. Yeah. I don't know if I want my dress to be. I don't know. But I'm going to a dress fitting on Thursday. Yeah. So it's gonna be, I don't know. I really don't know if I want it to be like a princess dress or like a dress. I'm not sure. But yeah. I'm going to a fitting on Thursday. I should have posted hands. Nah. I'm good. And also the person asked me about the ring. And I was just like, why are you asking me about rings? And I'm here on a date with you. Anyways, yeah, Thursday. I was like, that was my last date. I just wanted to test the waters to see, if I could have any other options. I could have options, if I'm making the right decision, yeah. So it was my last date. I was like, okay, I'm going on a last date just to see if I made the right decision and stuff. Or if there's more, the grass is greener on the other side. But clearly it's not. So I'm gonna go for a dress fitting on Thursday. Yeah. What a time to be alive. What a time. And guys, why are people always saying, I'm paradise when I'm just being myself? Why always saying I'm being Paradise when I'm just being myself. It's not always Paradise. Like, I'll tell you when it's Paradise, but right now it's Liema. Not Paradise. Oh, everyone has been asking me about this hair piece. It's called Fluffy Kinky. The other one is called Curly Pop. This one is called Fluffy Kinky. So I have 3 favorites: Curly Pop, Fluffy Kinky, and there's this other one, the thick one that I do. It's like a dreadlocks that it's this thick. What's it called? I forgot. I'll search it up. But that's like my favorite fibers to do, because they're always nice. They're always nice. Yeah. I don't know what brand it is. I forgot. No, it's not a butterfly twist. It's a Fluffy Kinky and Curly Pop. 2 different types. The one that I did in the house was Curly Pop. This one is Fluffy Kinky. And the ones on my pictures, the thick one, I forgot. I'm just going to search it. But those are my fibers that I do. Yeah. But I don't know. I don't want to say things that I will regret. So I'm just going to keep quiet. But yeah. I'm excited and I'm nervous at the same time, because I feel like this was one of the last days I'm not gonna be doing anything in August. Like, do you understand what I'm saying, eh? Wait, am I going to Durban tomorrow? No, I think September. Okay, I should check my diary. Yeah, so performances, interviews, I think. Nah. It should have been advertised by now. No, it's not tomorrow. That's crazy. So, yeah, this is one of the days where, like, I'm just gonna cherish, because, yeah, I'm gonna be in and out. And I love days like this, where I'm just home and doing nothing. Just enjoying life, looking at the view, listening to music, journaling, eating some food, working out, you know? Because after this, yeah, I'm doing a music video. See why? I shouldn't talk too much, but yeah, I'm doing a music. It's a music video month as well, so that's crazy as well. And it's like, you know, it's crazy because it's what's this? I'm not under any label, so everything I'm doing it myself. So I'm just like, fuck, help me, God. Yeah, but it looks like it's gonna go well. And the outfits need to be top tier. You know? I don't know. And also, how am I supposed... Shit, I have dreadlocks on. Because in my mind, I was thinking I wanted to have wigs in my music video. And I can't take out my dreads next week. So I'll just have dreadlocks on. It's fine. It's me anyways. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anyways, let me leave. I wanna cook. I wanna cook myself dinner and stuff. Oh, actually, can I tell you what I learned, guys, yesterday? Like a little bit of something that I learned. I feel like I'm good with like older friends. I don't know if you get me, but I feel like I'm good with older friends. Because I was such in a space yesterday where I was inspired about everything. I've never been surrounded by people that are, number one, successful, number two, are supportive of each other in everything they do, and number three, healthily in love, like black young people that are healthily in love. It's like, wow, that's beautiful. Because I've always been like, or was surrounded by, like divorce stories and like things not working out and stuff, And like now I'm in a space where I'm friends with people that are older than me. For example, Lucisi, older than me, successful and happily married, like happy. And like, that inspires, like that they don't even need to give advice. You just see it. And like when they give advice, it's literally the best advice. Because they're not young and crazy and, they know what they want and they have what they want already. It's like, yeah, like I'm good. I'm good with having older friends. And not just older friends that are just, trying to figure out life as well. Older friends that have made it or have a little bit of success next to their name. And it just inspires me so much. Like every time. And how, like it just, I don't know. Yeah. It makes me feel so hopeful. And I love that. I love that for me. As much as I'm young and I would, I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. The old me would want to have crazy friends in Joburg and we like go out all the time, or they come to my apartment and we like smoke or whatever and like do reckless stuff. But now I'm just like, nah. Nah. They give the most beautiful advice. They living a beautiful, pure, good life. They do crazy stuff, but at least they are successful and they are happy. You understand? And they surround themselves with supportive people. Their friend groups are full of support. It's just so inspiring. I want that. And there's no jealousy. That's another thing that's beautiful. There's no jealousy. I want that for myself. Yeah. I like it. I like, yeah. I like my surroundings right now. And it's the fact that they pour in me as much as I pour in. Because Nabo, they surround themselves with young people so that they always are in like, also in like a creative space where they can, because we are very creative as young people. Understand? We think out of the box. So as much as they pour in us with their wisdom, we also pour in them. I don't know if you get me. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna bounce because I'm hungry. Should I cook or should I order? What time is it? Hey, let me cook. Okay. But I want Chinese food. Should I cook or order? Anyways, keep on streaming. Let me be. We're gonna have a bomb ass video coming up, and we go up. Like, I'm gonna do everything on my might to promote the song because I know that no one is helping me. You understand? And when I don't mean like with streams and stuff. Like, I mean like with advertisements and stuff. So yeah, guys, thank you for streaming. Let me be. Thank you for your support. I'm not married. Who's asking? I'm about to be, though. Am I? So, yeah. Thank you guys for everything. Yeah, I'm in a space of gratitude, like for real. I'm not tired. I'm actually not tired. I'm so energetic. Before this live, I was dancing, actually. This ring, oh yeah, I'm engaged with the lilies, baby. This one, it's just a symbol of myself, of me to myself. Yeah. Basically, no sex before marriage. Symbol. I'll see you guys later. Bye.